The uncle Harav Simcha Kon Mechumid Mea Sandik.
Where's the table?
Rav Elimelech Adler is Mechumid mit Sandik Me'umad. Rav Tzvi Hallen Mechumid mit Brachas.
Sorry.
Sandik Me'umad. You're gonna stop. You're gonna give the baby. You're gonna hold the baby before Kriyas Hashem. Sweet. Just make the Brachas Kriyas.
Who's the person who's making Kriyas Hashem?
Who's Kriyas Hashem?
Who's making Kriyas Hashem?
Rabbi.
Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam borei peri hagofel. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam asher kidash yidid mi beten v'choik v'sheirosam v'tzetzav chosam v'yoyis bris kodesh Al kein bis chazois el chayich el keinu tzureyenu taveil hatzil yididus she'einu mishachas L'man Bris asher som bivsorenu Baruch atah Adonai Korei sabri
Sandik Me'umad for Kriyas Hashem is Rabbi Yudi Maskowitz, Rabbi Ari Shoshan Mechumid with Kriyas Hashem.
Eloheinu, Elohei Avoseinu, Kayem Esayel Razeh, Lovivu Limo, Vikarei Shemo B'Yisrael. Yeshaya ben Yerachmiel Ra'anan, Yismachav B'Yotzei Chalatzov, V'Sogel Imo B'Frivino Kakosuv, Yismachav Icha V'imecha, V'Sogel Yoladetecha, V'Ne'emar V'Evor Alayich V'Erich Mitzvos Eses B'Damayich. V'Ne'emar Zochar Lo Lam Riso Davar Tzivala Leftor Asher Karasas Aram Ushvos Ol Yitzchak V'Yamid El Yaakov L'Chok L'Yisrael Bris Olam V'Ne'emar V'Yomol Avraham Es Yitzchak B'no Ben Shemonas Yomim Kasher Tziva Oso Elohim Yeshaya ben Harav Yerachmiel Ra'anan Zakaton Gadol Ul'masim tovim
Misha Berachav Ezim Avraham Yitzchak Yaakov Hu Yivarach Es Hayelad Harach Animol Yeshaya ben Harav Yerachmiel Ra'anan V'Yishlach Lo Refuah Shalemo V'Avur Shenichnas LeBris V'K'Shem Shenichnas LeBris Kein Yikonis LeToiro L'Chup L'Masim Tovim V'Noi Mar Amen Amen
Morning. Thank you all very, very much for coming. First off, I have an apology to make. I'm very sorry. There weren't enough bagels this morning, and I feel really bad about that. I'm sorry. Kind of hard. Thank God we didn't expect such a large crowd, and we're touched and honored that so many family and friends have come to share with us in this beautiful simcha. I had a speech prepared this morning, and now I just totally forgot it. I just want to say, the unfortunate reality is sometimes that the more kids Kananahar you have, the lesser of the simcha really is, because, yeah, okay, another kid, whatever. And my dear friend Rabbi Shoshan shared with me an insight, and he said, imagine that after being married for 10 years, this was your first kid. Imagine the joy, imagine the simcha, imagine the celebration that you would have if this was your first kid, and how special that would be. And Kal V'chomer, how much more so, thanking him for another 4 kids over that. And how beautiful this simcha is, and I'm really touched and honored that so many of you came to share in this beautiful event. I want to take this opportunity to thank a few groups that I consider all 3 of these groups, and Risa considers them our family. First and foremost, to our real family, to my parents, to my father-in-law, to my brother who came from Los Angeles, to my parents who came from Chicago, to my brother-in-law Simcha and my father-in-law who came from New York, to my mother-in-law who's probably on her way in a cab right now coming here, who came. So we thank you all for coming and for your constant love and support through all of our simchas. I want to echo a little bit about what Mim mentioned yesterday. I don't know if Mim is here, but what she mentioned yesterday of that one of the upsides of being away from your family, and really the only upside of being so far from your family, is that your community becomes your family.
Yeah.
I'm still upset about the bagels. And there are 2 groups that have become our family that I want to say thank you to and make note of. The first one is to the Havas Torah community, to the Shul community, who over the past 3.5 years that we've been here have really been our family. And the outpouring of love that you've shown us has really been incredible. And this past week has been inspiring to see so many of you coming over and bringing gifts and food and love. And Risa and I have had the opportunity to live in quite a few places, and I've said this before, and we really feel blessed. We feel blessed to be part of a beautiful, loving family, and that we should share many more simchas for many years.
Amen.
The other family are the many students who came from Tempe this morning, especially I want to thank those who came from Tucson last night and this morning, to Ari, to Phil, to Dan, to Alyssa, to Ricky, for coming up to Tucson, from Tucson. I can't imagine what in your right mind some crazy guy would want to drive all the way from Phoenix to Tucson. I'd never want to do that. But it's really, we're really, really touched and honored that so many of you came. In so many ways, you guys have become like our family, and you've really become an integral part of who we are, and you are like, really, you're like our children. And the only problem is I just can't punish you guys. But I often say to people that I really feel that I have the best job possible in the entire world. I have the best job. That most of my day is spent in 70-degree weather on a beautiful campus at a Starbucks with the company credit card, learning Torah with people. And it's become much more than that. And Risa and I are touched and honored that all of you came from Tucson and came locally. It really makes the Simcha even more special to have so many of our family here with us. The name that we gave to our boy of Yeshaya, it's the reason why we named our son Yeshaya is that it's really two reasons, but it's the same reason. Is that on a personal level, Yeshaya was born after a difficult time for our family. Risa had lost two family members who were very close to her and dear to me. And on a personal level, it was a difficult time. But Yeshaya was also born on a Sunday that followed a very, very difficult time for Klal Yisrael. Risa and I had the zchus of living in Eretz Yisrael for over 3 years. And we moved there about a month before the Intifada started. And we really lived there throughout the entire Intifada. And we unfortunately saw tragedies in front of our eyes. We saw attacks and tragedies. Something about these past weeks' events really struck a chord in us and really hit us hard and hit all of Klal Yisrael. It was a difficult week, and we wanted to choose a name that really had two messages. The word Yeshaya comes from the word Yeshua, of salvation, that during these difficult times we pray and we daven to Hashem that He'll bring the Yeshua, He'll bring the salvation, He'll end all of these tragedies and difficulties. And that Yeshaya is famous, Yeshaya the Navi is famous for the words of Nachmu, Nachmu, Ami. That he tells the Jewish people to be comforted. He tells the Jewish people that even during the difficult times, even during the hard times, even during the tragedies, everything will be okay. So my bracha to the Rachanimel, to Yeshaya, is that he should be a zchus for Klal Yisrael, and that through his Torah, through his mitzvos, and through his actions, he shall be zocha, and we shall all be zocha, to see the ultimate Yeshua, the ultimate salvation from Hashem, with the coming of Mashiach and Herav Yameinu. Amen.
Amen. Mazel tov. Urevanim lefanecha, Urevanim lefanecha, Shalom al Yisrael. Urevanim lefanecha, Urevanim lefanecha, Shalom al Yisrael. Urevanim lefanecha, Shalom Shalom al Yisrael. Urevanim lefanecha, Shalom, shalom, Yisrael. Yeah. Adi. Super.
I'm not even
Move it very slowly.
too close up. Stop it, you can't see anything. Oh, you can't see anything.
Amen.
There were two so bright, Papa.
If you want to zoom, you use this. And you can zoom in on them. Zoom in on those people back there.
I know, I see them very close up now. Saba, put this on. Put this on. What
If you want to stop it, just press it again.
Okay, well, Saba, put it on YouTube. Stop! I'm not taking it of you. Just keep it steady on one spot, because otherwise something. Don't even tell. Don't even tell. Sam, put this on YouTube. It's
Okay.
part of it. Can't you delete part of it, like a bad part? I didn't get you.
Focus on the bench.
Okay, good. I will.
Follow the coach around.
What do you mean? Oh. Everybody left. Really? This couldn't record for an hour.
Amém. Mazel tov, mazel tov, simin tov, simin tov, mazel tov, mazel tov, simin tov, simin tov, mazel tov, mazel tov, simin tov, Yehelanu, 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 l'chol Yisrael, Yehelanu, Yehelanu, l'chol Yisrael, Yehelanu, Yehelanu, l'chol Yisrael, Yehelanu, Yehelanu. Mazel tov.
How do you stop it this?
Are you gonna smile?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is just like a video. So let's read
Yeah.
let's read my car. No? Okay. Should we just? You want to read? Want to finish reading this one?
Akiva.
What?
Akiva.
Rabbi Akiva. Should we watch that next now? Let's just read a book because Safta's on the computer. Should we read Nobody's?
Akiva.
Rabbi Akiva.
Yeah.
Oh.
Akiva.
Do you wanna? Oh, can I tell you? Amar. Rabbi. Zekaga No, okay, I'm going to shut it off because I don't need you fetching on it. Oh, careful for the Babela. Careful for the Babela. Amar Akiva?
Yeah. Mommy.
Yeah, oopsie. Where's your truck? Which is yours? Let's see which one. That's Yemen's?
Mine.
I think this one's yours, actually.
Yeah.
Let's see. No, this is not the one.
Lemon.
Yeah.
Mine.
Yeah.
Lemon. Lemon.
Yay. Who got you that truck?
Apple.
Your Saba?
Yeah.
Yeah, want to show us how it works?
Yeah.
Okay, how does it work? Whoa. How does the little one work?
Lemon. That's the eel.
Oh, Yeshaya's waking up.
Apple. Apple.
Oh, there's my dirty carpet.
Apple. Mom.
It's broken?
You apple.
Oh, it's broken. Oh, it just needs batteries. It's not broken. We're going to go today maybe and get some batteries. Is that a good idea? They're both out of batteries?
Yeah.
It uses up the battery so fast. Kiwi, look in the camera and say bye-bye, Saba.
Bye-bye, Papa.
Say, I love you, Saba.
Yeah, Papa. Look.
Where you going? Where you going? Where you going, handsome? Careful. Careful. Where you going, handsome?
Let's just put this a little bit closer so you don't fall. Step back. Oh, see, here you go. Easy. You want to open the toy box and see what's inside? Shall we open it? Let's open it. Let's see what's inside. Oh, look at all the toys. Sally has a lot of toys for you. That's the telephone. You like the telephone? You make a telephone call? Yeah, call Mommy. Hello, Mommy. You want to talk to Ilan? Okay, I'll put him on. You probably never saw a phone like that, and you probably never will. The old rotaries. Say, hello, Mommy. Hello, Mommy. When are you coming home? And look what else. We have an elephant. I'm going to pull him. Oh. Oh. See? Pull. There he is. Pull.
I'll put, do you want this?
Oh. Right in my hand. Thank you.
Elephant? Yes, you have an elephant. What else do you have? Chocolate. Want to try it? Pulling an elephant. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Handsome boy. Yes, you can pull it. Just have to pull it. Come on, elephant. Let's go for a walk. I'm gonna start cooking. I have to get through. Alright, sorry.
Oh, the elephant fell down? You could pick him up. You can put him back up. Want me to help you? I'll show you. He's heavy, right? Put him over here. Take the cord. Pull. Pull. Pull, look. See? That's the idea. There you go. Good. Here you go. He's coming. Here he comes. See, he came all the way to see you. Let's see if you can do that again. Whee! The elephant came all the way to see Ilan. Come on, elephant. Come say hello. Come say hello. Magic, huh? This is the workbench that you guys make. Yeah, it's a little hard for your age, this thing. But you know what you could do? Where's the hammer? I bet you like it. I know you like to bang. That's your favorite pastime. Here. No, don't play with it. No. That's not a toy. That's dangerous. Here. You want to bang the nails? Here. Bang. You can bang the nails. Got a clothespin? What do you got? A green one? A green one? Try to put it back in the can. Try to put the clothespin in the can. Whoops. Fell down? I'll help you. Here's what we'll do. Take out a couple of these. And watch. Push it in. Push it in. Push it in. Push it in. See how you push it in? You could do it. Can you do it? Push it in. You have one is halfway in. I bet if you put another one, you could push the first one. Yay for Ilan! Shake, 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 shake. Shake your rattle. Shake your rattle. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your rattle. What else is in the toy box, Ilan? What else can you find? Oh, what's that, a teddy bear? Can I see the teddy bear? Show it to Saba. What is that? A ball? Doesn't look like a ball. Looks like a barrel. Clap. Bang it. Clap it. Bang it. Clap it. Shake, shake, shake. Bang, bang, bang.
We'll open up the table, I guess, later, okay?
Yeah, will do. Hey, you hearing something? There's something in there? I don't know what that toy is. Can I see that? Can you bring that to Saba? Bring it to me. You want to throw it to me? Oh, not bad. Not bad at all. I don't know how you did that, but you got it to me. That was amazing. Oh, what is this? It's like a little squeezy toy. Squeezy, let me roll it back to you. Here it comes. Come here, Julie. Let me just wipe your chin. You have some Jewel. Okay. Here, here's your squeezy toy back. He's banging. That's his favorite thing. Yay for Ilan! Yay for Ilan! It's a little big for your mouth, buddy. You gonna go see Softy? Goodbye. Oh, you found the tube. That's fun. Can I see? Let's see if we could talk in the tube. I'll talk to you. Hello, Ilan. How are you? Hi. Yeah, you can hear me. You want to talk? Say hi, Saba. Hi, Saba. Hello, Ilan. How are you? You want to talk? Say hi, Saba. And then I can hear you from the other side. Oh, fell down. Fell down. That's my coffee. Say hello. Look at this handsome boy. Uh-oh. Where's the hammer? If I had a hammer, I'd hammer in the morning. I'd hammer in the evening. all over this land. I'd hammer out danger. I'd hammer out warning. I'd hammer out love between my brothers and my sisters all over this land. If I had a bell, I'd ring it in the morning. I'd ring it in the evening. All over this land, I'd ring out danger. I'd ring out a warning. I'd ring out love between my brothers and my sisters all over this land. If Ilan had a bell, he'd ring it in the morning. He'd ring it in the evening. All over this land, he'd ring out danger. He'd ring out a warning. He'd ring out love between his brothers and his sisters. Oh. Wow, he's standing up. There he is. How tall is Ilan? Reach up to the ceiling. Show everybody. I'm going to be as big as my daddy one day, my big daddy. I'm going to be tall like daddy, right? Now I'm short, but soon I will be big. Can you wave to me? Say hi, Saba. Hi, Saba. Those are my slippers. See my big slippers? You want to run and I should catch you? There he goes. There he goes. Okay, I'm going to get you. I see the game. Did you give baby Ilan a hug? You did?
Yes.
You want to give him another hug?
Why, you didn't get it?
No, I didn't have it on. You want to give him another hug? Give baby Ilan a hug. Baby Ilan, I didn't see you in a long time. Ilan, look who's here. Cousin Ephraim came to play.
Does he smell like a banana? Yeah. Can you go give him a hug? He just ate a banana.
Ephraim, Ilan took out the toys, and now you guys can play with the toys.
Ooh, so many toys to play with. It's not bad out, huh, Shira? No.
It's so warm.
Yeah, compared to the last few days.
Yeah. You know, the snow melted here.
Well, yeah, it was raining. It rained. First
We
of all,
still
it
have
rained
tons.
like last Shabbos, and a lot of snow melted away. And then yesterday, it rained the whole day. Was it yesterday? All day?
Ilan, Ephraim,
All day.
did you say Happy Chanukah to baby Ilan? Say Happy Chanukah.
Happy Chanukah.
Happy Chanukah.
Ephraim, say happy Chanukah,
Ephraim,
baby
I
Ilan.
need hugs from my Ephraim.
There's going to be Chanukah presents later.
Look at that shit.
He's still waking up.
It's softer.
We came to Zapta's house, remember? We were so excited to come to Zapta's house.
Ephraim, are you going to have donuts?
Yay, we're gonna
Later?
have donuts.
And presents?
And give kisses and hugs.
We got donuts.
Yeah, we have donuts.
What's Hanukkah without donuts?
That's
Yeah,
right.
we got
We're
some
gonna make muffins
donuts.
Right now, so we're about to start.
I have donuts coming out of me.
Really?
I've been eating so many donuts.
Have you? I haven't had one donut.
Oh my god.
You know your car's, the trunk is open, right?
Yeah, I'm going to bring it open.
There's baby Ilan.
Friday?
Go say hello to baby Ilan. And then you'll be on the picture too.
What movies?
I want to go to the movie last
Oh, you're seeing movies.
Could you go over to him?
Are released today?
Yeah.
Go over to him. Give him a big hug.
Okay.
The Gemini people just sit home all day.
Oh, that's my cousin.
Don't see me.
You won't see you because you're not in front of the picture right now.
Huh?
Only when I show it back later. When I play it back, you'll see yourself. Who's that lady?
Huh?
Who's that lady?
My mommy.
Yeah.
Or play if you want.
My mommy.
That's your mommy.
Show up.
My mommy
Do
in
whatever you
the
want. Leave the
picture.
house, come back.
Your mommy's in the picture. That's correct.
Baby on the picture. Also.
But?
Also daddy, right?
Huh?
But?
Who's that man?
Huh?
Who's that man?
The chocolate house. The chocolate. With my apple picture.
Right.
My apple picture.
That's your album in the picture, right?
NBA always has that, like, you don't.
Fine.
If he starts yawning or rubbing his eyes, let me know.
Where you going, Alansky? Let's look at him in a close-up, okay?
Huh?
We're going to close in on him.
Huh?
See, here he is. Ilan! See, we made a close-up.
Be on the picture.
Ephraim, can you show him how to put the clothespin in the can?
Huh?
You know how to stick the clothespins in the can?
Huh?
He doesn't know how to do that. All right, he likes to hold the cover. That's okay. He could hold the cover, and you could put the clothespins in without the cover. Oh, he put the. He put, yay for Ilan! Yay! Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap your rattle. Shake your rattle.
To the candle? I don't know. Do you want to sing a dreidel song? Do you want to sing a dreidel song?
No.
No?
What that?
Let's go sing a tag team.
What that? What that? What that?
Ilan ready.
Huh?
What'd you say, Akiva?
Hey. No.
Oh, thank you.
No.
Baby wants to read the book. Let him read. Let Ilan read the book, please. Okay. You could take out a book if you want, Ephraim. You know where Safta keeps her books, right? Yeah, you know.
When were you just here? Feels like you were here recently.
On Shabbos.
You were here for Shabbos?
You remember that? 4 days ago.
Feels like they were just here, but I can't remember.
They were.
Were you here for Shabbos?
So was Darnada. Yeah. We had London broiled Friday night. Speaking of progress, you started with that one? That was last time. That felt like a long time ago.
I'm just so tired. I keep telling everybody how tired I am, and it's so hard to explain. I leave in the dark of night to go to work. I come home in the dark of night to get home. It takes me hours and hours to get home. I work very hard all day running around. I had carnival workshops, 2 a day. Parents coming and doing things with their kids. I have to set up and clean up and be there with the parents. And it's like I just feel numb. Need to read this book to you? Please, Safta? I need my glasses. I need my glasses. I need my glasses.
You always ask what? You always ask what?
This one first? The very hungry caterpillar. Did you ever see a caterpillar? Someday I'll show you a caterpillar. Ilani, you want to hear the book? Ilani likes books too. Let's move down so Ilani can come sit next to us. Come, Ilani. Come, Safta read books to you too. Come. Yeah, he's sitting here and you're sitting here. And we're going to listen. Safta's going to read books to my boys. Like this? Come here. How's that? Okay? Everybody can see? See the sunshine? In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on the moon. Yeah. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up, and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar.
Hungry?
Mm-hmm. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through 1 apple. But he was still hungry. You want to put your finger in there? On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears. But he was still